Hi everyone, welcome back. My name's Atticus, I'm a 4th year medical student living in London. This is the 3rd episode in the FlashNotez development series. So since the last video, I've still been quite busy with revision for my upcoming exams, and I've also started my general surgery placement, based at a hospital outside of London. So far this placement seems to be relatively full on, which is interesting because in medicine, sometimes your placements will be a lot shorter. You'll only be in for half a day or even just the morning for a clinic, and then you might have the rest of the day off. So there's a lot of points in medicine that you can take advantage of for doing things that are your passion in your free time. So anyway, since the last video, I have managed to do a fair bit of coding. The first thing that I worked on was the hints button that I explained in the last video, and this involved just adding some code to display a hints button whenever you hover over the end of a highlighted kind of section of text. So it works really well. You just click the add hints button and then the input appears, you type in what you want to add as a hint, then you tap enter and it just automatically formats it quite quickly. I think it works really well, it's quick, it's easy, it's exactly what I wanted for FlashNotez. So the next thing I worked on was storage, and by this I mean storing data that you create in the cloud, and data in this case is the FlashNotez themselves. So the way I thought about it first was from a user experience point of view. I want it to be really simple for a user to be able to just create their own flashcards without really thinking about saving, and it's all done in the background for you. So that's what I've done. You'll type your flashcards, and as you're typing, when you stop, after a short delay, it'll save them to the cloud. So this works really well, but I do have a few concerns about it. So one of them is that if you've got 100 users and they're all on FlashNotez for maybe half an hour a day, it's not going to take long before they build up a massive amount of requests between them. So if there's a request firing every 3 seconds or so, it would take roughly 16 days to reach 1 million requests, which is the current limit on my cloud storage account. So this is something that I'm probably going to have to optimize in some way, but I'm going to leave that for another time. So now that users are able to store their flashcards in a collection and that's all synced to the cloud, it was very simple just to make them all appear on the user's dashboard. So this is something that I'm going to be building out over the next few weeks, as well as optimizing the way that things are stored in the cloud. So that's everything for this week. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. I know it's been a bit shorter than the others. Let me know if you like the longer form episodes or whether these shorter ones are better. Feel free to subscribe if you want to carry on following along with the FlashNotez journey, and like the video and comment down below if you have any questions. See you guys in the next one.